Alright, so just got back from AutoZone. Had to pick up some 3M mounting tape for my roof spoiler. It did come with pre-applied 3M tape, but it was really thin, and this has been sitting in my room for almost a year now. So I'm just gonna apply the 3M tape onto the spoiler before putting it on the car. Alright, got the 3M tape applied, but before I put this on my car, I want to add like an orange accent stripe just because to have some contrast. So I'm going to quickly hop on my laptop and then design it. It's just going to be a simple stripe that I'll use to cut out in my vinyl cutter and then apply. Alright, well, 8 tries later, got the stripe on, so it'll subtle touch, and time to install it on the car. Alright, so I kind of got the placement mocked up with some painter's tape. I kind of measured it both sides already, and all I'm going to do now is peel the film from the double-sided tape layer and then stick it on. Alright, I kind of mounted it a little bit and on the same side and underneath. If you can see that, I'm not really sure about this video quality. It's my phone, and I'm going to try to do this one-handed. So one side is on, just want to press it down. I'm going to do the other side and then the middle section. Alright, so that side done too. When I had just like this area stuck down, it was already pretty hard enough to move. So I'm not really concerned with this flying off. If it does, then I guess I'm out $50. Alright. Now to do the middle part. I apologize for any wind noise. It is kind of windy. It's also very hot. Alright. And as we go along, I'm going to keep pressing down. That way we ensure that this spoiler doesn't move. Alright, so I pulled it halfway. A little bit more than halfway. Now to do this side. Alright, so I didn't really think that went through. There's a little piece of red wax paper, I guess. But it's alright. Well, there we go. I got all the paper removed, and this is how it looks. I know the orange stripe isn't perfect, but I'm probably, well, most likely gonna take it off in a few weeks anyway, because I like the whole top from the hood to the roof to the trunk to be all black, and then there's going to be a low spoiler here too. But this wing is the Mugen style wing that I found on eBay. If anyone wants to know, I'll put a link in the description for this wing. It isn't perfect because you can tell, like, I follow the very edge of the whole spoiler with the stripe, and you can see it's not really straight. But you know what? It's an eBay roof spoiler, so I'm not complaining. And I actually do like this kind of style roof spoiler more than like the vortex generators that most people have that go here, because I just like a nice smooth clean flow. And then soon enough I'll rewrap the roof, and in another video I'll rewrap the trunk and install the Lancer spoiler. Quick update, it's about a few days since I've installed this roof spoiler, and I've taken off the orange stripe. I think now it looks a lot better because the stripe was all crooked and wavy from following the actual spoiler contours. For anyone wondering about this roof spoiler, I don't really see it in my rear view mirror, but you can tell that it is there.
Transform, you stand alone.